Hey everyone! Today we're going to learn the secrets of building wealth from one of the most famous money books ever written, The Richest Man in Babylon by George Samuel Clason. Let's break down these timeless lessons into simple steps that anyone can follow. The basic rule: save and invest wisely. Have you ever wondered why some people seem to be better at making money than others? Well, it's not magic. It's about following some simple but powerful rules. The first rule is super simple. Don't spend all the money you earn. Instead, save some of it. This means living on less than what you make. For example, instead of buying expensive coffee every day, you could make it at home. Small changes like this can save you a lot of money over time. But here's the interesting part. Just saving money isn't enough. You need to make your money work for you through smart investments. Think of it this way. Money in your wallet or bank account is like a lazy employee just sitting around. But when you invest it wisely, that money becomes a hard-working employee that makes more money for you. Be smart about what you don't know. Here's something important. Successful people know what they don't know. It sounds weird, right? But it's true. Many people get into money trouble because they think they know more than they actually do. For example, during the 2008 financial crisis, lots of people lost money because they invested in things they didn't fully understand. The lesson? Before you invest in anything, learn about it first. And if you're not sure about something, it's okay to ask for help from experts. Building wealth takes time. Here's another important truth. Getting rich quickly is usually just a dream. Unless you win the lottery, and let's be honest, that's super unlikely. Building wealth takes time. Why? Because the financial world is always changing. What works today might not work tomorrow. The key is to learn from your mistakes. Start small. Be patient. Keep learning new things. It's like learning to ride a bike. You might fall a few times, but each time you learn something new. Make your money work for you. There's a big difference between making money and building wealth. When you work at a job, you're making money. But when you invest wisely, your money is working for you. Let's say you buy a small apartment and rent it out. Even while you're sleeping, that apartment is making money for you through rent. That's what we mean by making your money work for you. The power of interest. Here's something cool about money. It can grow by itself through something called interest. It's like planting a money tree. For example, if you invest $100 and get 10% interest, after 1 year, you have $110. If you reinvest that $110, next year you'll have $121. The money keeps growing faster and faster. Create your own luck. Many people think success is all about luck. But here's the truth. You can create your own luck by always looking for opportunities, being prepared when opportunities come, acting quickly when you see a good opportunity, working hard and learning new things. It's like fishing. The more time you spend fishing in the right spots, the more likely you are to catch fish. Smart money habits. Finally, here are some important habits to develop. 1. Don't buy things you can't afford. 2. Avoid unnecessary debt. 3. Make smart decisions about your money. 4. Think long-term instead of just about today. Remember, debt is like quicksand. Once you're in it, it's really hard to get out. In conclusion, the main message is simple. Save some of what you earn. Invest your savings wisely. Keep learning about money. Be patient. Create your own opportunities. Avoid unnecessary debt. Remember, building wealth isn't about getting lucky or finding some secret formula. It's about making smart choices every day and being patient as your wealth grows. That's all for today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Progress Unlimited for more financial wisdom made simple. See you in the next video.